Our main goal with the Challenging the Future with Local Strengths project was to strengthen cooperation between partner countries and share best practices. We really wanted to create a space where knowledge and ideas could easily flow. At the same time, we focused on young people, giving them the chance to learn from international mentors, tap into the entrepreneurial world, and see how to use local resources for sustainable growth. It's all about preparing them to lead and build a future full of innovation and collaboration.
Through the Challenging the Future with Local Strengths project, supported by EEA and Norway Grants, we are exploring the entrepreneurial and innovation potential of the Goriška region. The project connects organizations from Slovenia, Norway and Iceland to develop new business practices and involve youth in entrepreneurship. Together we uncover local community potential and promote sustainable practices.
I think Iceland and Slovenia are pretty similar in a lot of ways, but we've had our different challenges, with Iceland being an island like a remote island in the North Atlantic Ocean, and Slovenia being in Central Europe. But that has made us develop a different set of skills as well. So I think it's just a huge mutual win if we both share our knowledge and help each other evolve.
I personally was really impressed by the strength of community-focused innovation in Iceland. I sensed that people prioritize supporting each other, while businesses also focus on sustainability. There's various creative programs for the youth and at the same time strong entrepreneurial support.
Wow, I'm still inspired after our trip to Iceland. How they had managed to work in the whole business ecosystem to help startups. I really loved the way they had this investor forum and how they managed to make more sustainable solutions.
I've gotten a great insight into how the company started from the ground up and gotten valuable information for our future idea development.
I have learned that the team you work with is just as important as the idea that you have, because with supportive people around you, you will achieve any goal you can imagine. I learned that if you have a good idea and you believe in it, you must make it happen before someone else takes it from you.
The project connects people, fosters innovation and builds a foundation for a sustainable future. Follow our journey on social media and support our path to innovation.